We are going to be discussing remedy for attracting money, abundance, and prosperity using miracle leaf. Miracle leaf is something not new to those who have been following me, because we use miracle leaf in different ways to attract money. And this video is not going to be an exception, but this particular video is very new. I'm going to be teaching you a new method to use miracle leaf to attract money, abundance, and prosperity. This is very good if you need quick money for a specific project. Maybe you need money to finance a business, you need money for traveling, or you need money to celebrate a particular occasion. Then this recipe is, or this remedy is going to be very, very helpful for you. So I'm going to be giving you the ingredients we are going to be needing. But before that, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. On this channel, we talk spirituality. We give simple life hacks and spiritual tips. And the ingredients we are going to be using, like I said, are very simple. But the major thing we are going to be needing is miracle leaf. But we have to use miracle leaf in a particular way. So we are going to be needing miracle leaf. And for this recipe, we need just 2 leaves of the miracle leaf. Also, we are going to be using what we call Christmas melon. This is Christmas melon. For those who don't know Christmas melon, this is Christmas melon. This is also Christmas melon, the one with the leaf. This is the way the leaf is, Christmas melon. That's what we are going to be. The third thing we are going to be needing is we are going to be needing chicken egg. So those are the major 3 things we are going to be needing. Now let's get into how to prepare it. We are going to be preparing this in a special way. So I want you to listen very well. Just pay good attention. We want to attract money. And anytime we are talking about money, you talk about ingredients or spiritual things that you can use to attract money, then you talk of Christmas melon. You also talk of miracle leaf. So those are very important. And the spiritual significance of egg is also very important. So you need 1 Christmas melon. Look for one that is very big. For one that is very big. Then this is the way to do it. You are going to be cutting the head, like from this part. You are going to be cutting like from this part, as if you are covering the cover. You make a cover, you cut it, not from the middle, just from the head like this. You cut it. Look for a sharp knife, because sometimes this can be very difficult to cut. Look for a sharp knife to cut it, a knife that is very sharp. Then you cut it. After cutting it, look for a spoon, a metal spoon, to pack all the things inside. You have to pack the things inside, but there are some things inside, some melons inside it. The melons, that's why they call it Christmas melon. There is melon, so you have to pack everything, all the melons in it. Just put it somewhere. Then you get your miracle leaf. Assuming this is my miracle leaf, after cutting it, after putting the cover somewhere, after packing the inside, then you can see the way it's facing. It has to face like, then you put it inside. You put it inside the Christmas melon. After putting it inside the Christmas melon, then you get your egg. The egg, then you put it. You put the egg, a whole egg, chicken egg, 1. Just put it. Once you put it, then take another miracle leaf. That one should be facing down. No, the first one that we put under is facing up. So this one should be facing down. Use it to cover the egg. Use it to cover the egg inside the miracle leaf, inside the Christmas melon. Then you now take the cover, the end of the melon that you've cut, use it to cover it. After covering it like that, then you put it on a stove. You can use the charcoal stove, you can use gas, you can use something that you can use to cook it. You are cooking it. You don't need to put it inside pot, and you don't need to put water. Just put it inside, just put it on top of the stove or the gas. Anything that you are using that you can use to cook, just put it. Within 10-15 minutes, it will have done. It will have done. It will boil it. This thing will boil the egg for you. Once you boil the egg, then you have finished the first part of the remedy. You have finished the first part of the recipe. So the next thing to do is you allow the cooked egg, you allow it to cool a bit. Then you have to peel the shell off. Peel the shell off. Then put that shell somewhere else. Then you offer your prayer. Pray for money for the specific purpose that you want to use it for. Then you eat it. And this one you cannot eat it. You can't cut it into two. You have to eat it once. Just put it in your mouth and eat it. After finish eating it, you can take water. You can take any drink that you want. Or the most important is for you to eat it. This is a remedy, a recipe that is a spiritual recipe that is very important, and it is new. It is very sharp. It's very sharp. It is used when you need money for a specific project. You have something to do. You want to do something. You want to do something. In Yoruba, we call it ashiribibo. That means you see assistance, help, money from different quarters, where you don't even expect people will assist you. So it is used for a specific project. You have a business, a new business you want to do. You are starting, you are on a project and you need to complete. You can use it. You can use it to build your house. You can use it to buy a new car. You can use it to when you want you want to travel abroad and you still need money. You can also use this. This is very important because it's about money. It's talking about money. So you use it to attract money, favor, wealth and prosperity. This is very, very important. And 3 ingredients is what we use for this. We use miracle leaf, very, very important. But we are needing 2 leaves. After miracle leaf, we need Christmas melon. The Christmas melon, also very important. Then you need your egg. Just these 3. If you prepare it this way that I've told you, if you are not clear of anything, just pause this video. At any point that you are not clear, pause it and watch it, or you can start all over again. Watch it the first time, watch it the second time. Make sure you get it. It's very simple to prepare. Very simple. It's very small, but don't doubt it because this works a lot. It is a very special and new way. It is very new. It's a new way to prepare money remedy. This is money remedy at its best. It's very new. It's still sharp. So be the first to do it, and you come and give me your testimony. If you enjoy this, you are going to enjoy this special way to use miracle leaf here. Until I come your way again, remain spiritually intelligent, and don't forget we can succeed together. Thanks.